What if I told you Excel can save you hours of work if you just knew these tricks? In today's video, I'm sharing 10 powerful Excel tips that will make your spreadsheets faster to build, easier to manage, and smarter to use. Whether you're a student, office pro, or data analyst. And stick around because the last one is my personal favorite. It might just change the way you use Excel forever. Okay, let's dive right in. Here's a powerful time saver, Flash Fill. If you're manually splitting names or formatting text, this tip will change the game. Here, you have full names in column A. Now, you want to extract just the first names into column B. In cell B2, type John. Then, with B2 still selected, press Ctrl E. Excel instantly fills the rest of the column. Perfect for splitting names, formatting phone numbers, generating emails or combining data from multiple columns. Tip number 2, insert multiple rows at once. Let's say you're working on a monthly sales report with product names in rows 1 to 10. Now you've received 5 new product entries that need to be inserted between row 4 and row 5. To do it, first, highlight rows 5 to 9, exactly the number of rows you want to insert. Right-click anywhere inside the selection. Then choose Insert. Excel instantly drops in 5 fresh, blank rows exactly where you want them. No shifting, no mess, and without touching the rest of your data. It's a huge time saver when working with large datasets or detailed reports. Tip number 3, remove duplicates. Imagine you have a client email list in column D, along with other columns like name, location, and contact number. And over time, duplicates have slipped in. Here's how to clean it up in seconds. Select the entire email column, or the full dataset if duplicates might appear in multiple columns. Now, go to the Data tab. Click Remove Duplicates. In the pop-up box, check My Data has headers. So Excel doesn't treat row 1 as data. Confirm the column to check. Then click OK. Excel instantly deletes the extra copies, leaving you with only unique entries. Tip number 4, drop-down lists. Imagine you're managing a project status tracker with columns for task name, assigned to, due date, and status. Your headers are in row 1. Instead of typing yes, no, or pending manually for each task and risking typos, you can create a drop-down list. First, select the cells where you want the drop-down, let's say D2 to D13. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click Data Validation. In the pop-up box, set Allow to List. In the source box, type Yes, No, and Pending. Or select the cell range containing these options. Then click OK. Now, every cell in column D will display a handy drop-down arrow. Simply click it, choose your option, and keep your data entry consistent, clean, and typo-free. Tip number 5, absolute references. Let's say you're preparing a sales commission report. Column B has each salesperson's sales amount. And cell E2 contains the fixed commission rate, let's say 5%. To calculate each salesperson's commission without errors, first click on cell C2. And type equals B2. Add an asterisk for multiplication. Click on cell E2, the cell with your commission rate. Press F4 to add an absolute reference. This locks E2 so Excel always points to the same cell, even when the formula is copied down. Now, press Enter. Then drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to all rows. Or just double-click at the bottom right corner of the cell. This way, Excel will use the same 5% rate for every salesperson instead of shifting to E3, E4, and beyond. It's precise, reliable, and perfect for financial calculations. Tip number 6, Conditional Formatting. Imagine you're reviewing a monthly sales report where column C contains sales amounts for each salesperson. Now, you want to quickly spot who exceeded $1,000 in sales. First, select the range C2 to C10. Go to the Home tab. Then Conditional Formatting. Highlight cells rules. Choose greater than. In the pop-up, type 1000. Choose a highlight color, for example bright green. And click OK. Now, every salesperson who sold more than $1,000 instantly stands out. No formulas, no manual checks. It transforms plain numbers into visual insights so you can identify trends, top performers, or problem areas at a glance. Perfect for reports and presentations. Tip number 7, Format Painter. Want to make your reports look professional and consistent without manually styling each cell? That's where Format Painter comes in. Let's say you're creating a sales summary sheet and have styled cell A1. Bold text, white font color, center alignment, and green fill background. Now you want cell B1 to D1 look exactly the same. First, click on A1, the cell with the formatting you want. Go to the Home tab and click Format Painter, the little paintbrush icon. Your cursor changes to a paintbrush. Now, click on B1 to D1. Instantly matches a one style exactly, font, color, alignment, and background. If you want to copy formatting to multiple cells, double-click the Format Painter icon. This keeps it active so you can click several cells. Then press Escape to turn it off. Tip number 8, Freeze panes. When working with large datasets, scrolling down often makes you lose sight of your column headers. Freeze panes solves this instantly. Let's say you have a sales database with the following headers in row 1. The sheet contains over 500 rows of data. As soon as you scroll, your headers disappear, making it harder to know which column is which. Here's how to keep them in place. Go to the View tab. Click Freeze Panes. Choose Freeze Top Row. Now, no matter how far you scroll, your headers in row 1 remain visible, making your data easier to read and navigate. Want to keep your top row and your first column visible at the same time? Click the cell just below the row you want to freeze, and just to the right of the column you want to freeze. For example, if row 1 is your header and column A has customer names, click cell B2. Go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes drop-down, and choose Freeze Panes. Now, your headers stay at the top and your customer names stay on the left. No matter how far you scroll, it makes navigating large spreadsheets faster, more accurate, and less frustrating. Tip number 9, Insert sparklines. Want to show a trend without creating a full-size chart? Sparklines are perfect for dashboards and reports where space is limited. Let's say you're tracking monthly sales for each product. You want to see each product's trend at a glance in column H. First, click in cell H2 next to running shoes. Go to the Insert tab. Then under Sparklines, click on Line. In the data range box, select B2 to F2, the monthly sales for shoes. Now click OK. A tiny line chart now appears in H2, showing the sales trend for shoes. Use the fill handle to copy sparklines down instantly. Tip number 10, Filter with slicers. Want to filter your Excel data with just one click and make it look like a clean, interactive dashboard? Then it's time to start using slicers. Let's say you have a sales dataset like this. To insert a slicer, first click anywhere inside your dataset. Press Ctrl+T to convert it into a table. Make sure My Table Has Headers is checked. Then click OK. A new Table Design tab appears in the ribbon. Click on it. Go to Insert Slicer. From the list of fields, check Region. You can insert multiple slicers, for example, one for region and another for customer name. Now click OK. A slicer box now appears on your sheet with buttons for East, West, North, and South. Click East and instantly your table filters to show only customers from the East region. Click Clear Filter to reset the view. No formulas, no drop-down menus. And there you have it. The more you practice, the faster you'll become. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more practical Excel tips. Catch you in the next one.